Now see, I am going to explain one more program, that is program to display first 10 natural numbers using while. Okay, how to do this program? See, first 10 natural numbers means what? We have to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 onto the output screen. How to do this program? It is very easy. We can set any counter variable. Let it is I. Initial value we will set as a 1. Okay, and then we will display whatever value of I there. Okay, with the help of printf as a body of that loop. Now next one is second, after 1, then we will increment the value of that I by 1. Now I will become 2, just display it. Now we will increment the value of that I by 1. Again we will display whatever value of I, like 3. Means initial value of I will be 1, and every time we will increment the value of I by 1, that is I equals to I plus 1, or we can write I plus plus, up to which means till the value of I is 10. Do this. Okay, whenever the value of I will become 11, don't do this task. Means what will be the end condition? Okay, means till that condition is true, while loop will get executed. Means till value of I is less than equal to 10 or less than 11, we have to do the same task again. That's why test condition will be I is less than equal to 10. Getting this logic we can use for doing this program. See, first we have written here comment like program to display first 10 natural numbers using while. Now we have to include header files like hash include stdio.h conio.h. Now inside main we have to just first declare one variable for counter purpose, that is let it is I, integer I. Now next one is initial expression, first we have to put, that is I is equal to 1, then while we will place the test expression, means whatever condition, till I is less than equal to 10 we have to repeat this task. That's why we will put here condition like I is less than equal to 10. Till I is less than equal to 10, what should be done? We have to display whatever value of I. That means just write here printf %d comma I. Here whatever value of I will get displayed, and remember we have to update the counter value and then close. Means here we will get first 10 natural numbers displayed onto the output screen. How it works? Initially value of I is 1, I is less than equal to 10, yes it is true, it will display whatever value of I, that is it will display 1. Then I plus plus I will become 2, again it will display 2. In this way it will display all the values till the value of I is 10. Okay, whenever value of I will become 11, this condition will become false and control will come out of that while loop will be here. You can write here get ch also if you are using that turbo C compiler for waiting purpose to hold the output screen. Getting? In this way we can do the program to display first 10 natural numbers with the help of while loop. Now some points that you should keep in mind while using while loop. See, we have written here I equals to 1. This is the expression, that is initialization, that we can also do here like I equals to 1, no problem. While declaration of variable also we can initialize that value of counter variable. Okay, this will again work fine. Okay, now next point is there, this whatever increment, this is again not compulsory to do here only. You can write here also that I plus. Okay, no problem. Means here again this program will work properly. Again you will get the same message like that whatever first 10 natural numbers displayed onto the screen. Means what, here initially I is 1, here I is less than equal to 10, yes it is true, it will display. Now what is this? This is nothing but post increment, means first whatever value of I will get used and then increment that value of I by 1. Okay, means here I whatever value of I 1, it will get displayed onto the output screen, and then value of I will become 2. Here we are modifying the value of that counter variable, that's why no need to write it again here. Okay, means you can skip that update expression if you have written that I plus plus here also. One more point means here this will work fine, means after 2 the condition will be true and it will display whatever value of that I by 2 here, and again increment that value here only. In this way this will work fine, that this program will again display the first 10 natural numbers properly. Means instead of writing that I plus plus here, you can also write in this condition, like you can also write here that I plus plus while checking that condition. Means you can put that I plus plus inside expression also. See how it will work now. See, initially I is 1, I plus plus less than equal to 10 means what? First it will use that value of I for checking the condition, and then that value of I will get incremented by 1. That's why I is initially 1, it will check whether it is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. It will display that 1 onto the output screen, and then value of I will become 2. Okay, no problem. In this way also you can do the same program, means you can change the place of that update expression at anywhere here. Okay, now you can also put like this, like plus plus I, but here there is one problem. Means what? Here plus plus I means what? First increment the value of I by 1 and then check the condition. This is the meaning, because pre-increment means what? First increment and then use. Means what will happen here? Initially value of I is 1, it will increment the value of I, that will be 2. Okay, and 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. It will display value of I is initially 1, it will increment first that value of I, means it will become 2 and then it will get displayed. Means from 2 it will display value up to 10. Okay, it will not do like, it will not display that 1. That's why initialize I to the 0 initially if you want to use like plus plus I here. Getting? Now one more point, just keep in mind that you can write here normally as usual, like I equals to 0 while I less than equal to 10, just I plus plus here we can write. Instead of writing this I plus plus, you can also write plus plus I. Means plus plus I means pre-increment, but if you are using this I plus plus or plus plus I individually, then it will not change the meaning. Means in both the cases the meaning will remain same, that is I equals to I plus 1. Getting? Also you can use here I plus equal to 1, no problem. It is the shorthand operator, okay, that you can use for modifying the value of that I variable. You increment the value of that I by 1. You can also write this expression also as a update expression. These are all the points that you should keep in mind while using while.